the empanelment authority has had me now done. Thank you.
I had indicated this honorable court that there will be at least 3 clarifications.
Just a minute, Mr.
Yes.
Now, I think we need to get something right. I want to clarify how these files are before this bench this morning. The 3 files which were filed in Kerugoya, that is 13, 14, and 15 of 2024, had some interim conservatory orders issued by the court. Further to the issuance of those orders, the learned judge made further orders requesting the Honorable Chief Justice to empanel a bench. Those files were transmitted on the basis of that order to the Honorable Chief Justice's office on the 18th of October 2024. On that very day, the Honorable Deputy Chief Justice empaneled this bench to hear those matters. Thereafter, applications were filed online. I think you are all aware that we are operating online. Applications were filed online. When those applications were filed online, those are the ones which this bench gave directions for these matters to appear before us today. That is why we're here, and that is the trail, that is the paper trail as to why we're here this morning. So I reiterate the position taken by the presiding judge that we will not be comfortable dealing with any other file, even if it's related to this file, which we did not give directions for it to appear here today. So I think we can now proceed on the basis of that clarification.
Thank you, Judge.
My Lord,
Just a minute, please.
Perhaps just to add that the numerous other petitions that are coming up.
Yes, my Lord, I believe now I can be able to make the clarification. We are starting with the immediate background that we need to make these clarifications, and we take into account.
Let us finish with quorum first. There's a quorum in E013, which was consolidated in Kerugoya with E014. Just take quorum on that file.
Your Lordship is terribly something wrong. And I believe it is important for us to put things into proper perspective. Because when you call the matters, E13 was not part of what was called. I've not had it perhaps to be called. Your Lordship, in E015, there has never been a consolidation. To the best of my knowledge.
What are you talking about consolidation? Nobody has talked about any consolidation. These files have not been consolidated. I think that is the next process we'll be going into. nobody has talked about any consolidation. If you look at the record, you will find that the directions for today's hearing are given specifically on each and every file. There was no consolidation of any matter. No matter has been consolidated. So let us not dwell on things which really are not before the court. Now matter has been consolidated. Let us proceed from there. If you want to apply for any files to be consolidated, that is okay. As we speak now, there is no consolidation. The direction from this court were very specific on 3 different files.
My lords, I'm well guided, but when Justice Mrima was giving the clarification, I never heard him clarify whether the Kirogoya file has been integrated into the Nairobi system. Because we